Hey there, people. Welcome to another vlog. I'm pretty sure you're wondering what the heck I'm pointing at. Okay, I guess my arm is not long enough to show you this crazy little creature on the drywall. And if you're wondering what the noise in the background, the neighbor's watching some Shark Week on Discovery Channel. So pretty much that's pretty it for the moment, alright? So today we are outside of our neighborhood.
This is clearing limit, so they gotta stay within these boundaries here.
So I'm with the neighbor out on the other side of our neighborhood. So I've been filming on my rubber cannon of this stuff right here. Well, not here, but I've been filming some of these construction equipment, so that's what we thought, eat a little, we ate a little, and once we ate a little, we thought come out, because I've been showing the neighbor, some of the video I already took, because my neighbor goes to work in the afternoon, so usually my neighbor comes home like sometime at 2 or 3, depending on the day. So that's what the neighbor up to. So we're just poking around, as you can see. So as you can see, the neighbor is very interested. So yeah, it's kind of interesting. Our little city, or our little neighborhood, been slowly expanding. So as you can see, so that's what we've been up to.
How big are these lots?
Alrighty there, people.
Alrighty there, people.
Let me roll up the window, get the wind off the microphone, so it doesn't screw up my audio level. But the window got finished installing, so we went to Home Depot to pick up some trim board to finish off the reinstall of the window. And the neighbor's gonna go a little bit quick food shopping. That's a really light one. I've been cooking French toast in the frying pan lately. Probably more often in the frying pan. It's been interesting to cook in the frying pan, so been very, very interesting to do that. Getting the hang of it. I have not spawned a French toast yet in the frying pan yet, so had a couple of disasters. Well, they're not bad. It's a goof up. I made a mistake. One of the mistake is let the pan cool down if you're gonna make another one. So that's one of the screw up. Then I keep forgetting to spray the vegetable. What's that? Vegetable oil? Yeah, I keep forgetting to spray that. So I'm not sure if it's the hot summer getting to me or what. So don't know. But that's what we're up to now, just doing that and this. But I will pause the clip for interesting. Well, I will record again for the next interesting bit. All right.
Been trying to tell myself I need to lose weight, not gain it.
The Renaissance fail. Guys, it doesn't feel like we had a Renaissance fail not that long ago, man. Alright people, you're witnessing the Renaissance fail. I'm gonna point the camera, hopefully. Hopefully the naval window is not too dirty for you to see. Yeah. So I guess if you're the type of person who like to dress up and then they random
Acts like a bunch of weirdos.
The naval is not into the dressing.
Medieval.
Yeah, he's not into it, so. Naval doesn't have a taste or doesn't have a desire to be dressing up, so. Yeah. you have to have a special taste to dress up in the medieval stuff. You have to have a really special taste, so. My neighbor doesn't have a strong interest of that stuff, so. But I originally gonna say we were eating these, I don't know what you call them. I don't know what you call it. I think, oh! Food in Danish, there we go. I might as well point the camera at the food Danish. Because, I might not say it correctly. Or not, maybe. I'm trying to not eat on the camera rudely. I know apparently not eating on the camera is finally rude. So, I'm trying to avoid it.
Not really, because the longer you talk, the more I get to eat.
Oh, I wonder the naval family members gonna enjoy it. Probably get a kick out of it already. But that's what we are up to. That's what we've been up to. Went to Home Depot, get Trimboard, and now get a little bit of grocery for him, and now we eat a little bit of snacks. So pretty much when the neighbor gets home, we'll probably not get doing that same plan. So probably gets home too. So
7:30.
yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna stop the camera and I will record something interesting. All right. So. This is another weekend. I've been forgetting about to film the stuff behind me that the neighbor been doing. So, so finally got around to it, and obviously the vlog video is going to be a little bit delayed because obviously the neighbor went on a little trip, so that's been slow. And project too, trying to get the neighbor do project, that's been a slow things too. But before that project, he's been in the morning getting this stuff bound, as you can see behind me. So, but if we take a look behind, which I almost fell on the board. So, if I grab a shovel right here, kind of show you some. There were some big limbs, so I'm gonna do it. That one that's a pretty thick one, but there was another one right in this area that's way larger than than this blade. There are some big ones, which if we look around this tree stump, if we take a look, well, this blade is almost reaching that. Plus, I believe this one is kind of dull too. I don't know. let's see here, is this one more? There was one large one on here that my neighbor had a hard time. So, that one, I don't know, which one that's big one? Well, now I can't remember which big one that the neighbor had trouble with now. So, obviously, is this the one? No. I don't remember this blade. Oh well. This is a larger blade too, so most of you probably would have like that size. So, let's see here. Does this say this? Well, oh, this is the 8/14 TPI blade. So, but yeah, here the neighbor every morning been working on this little by little. So this is a pretty stamped or not stamped or this is a pretty big one. As you can see, it's a pretty big one. So the neighbor or those people who bought that house, that abandoned house, the husband actually the man or the husband would come by with the chainsaw and just chop off the top. So that should make it a little more easier. Be nice if the stump was split in half in some way, but I know. Plus, the disposal site too. There's not a lot of disposal site that is close by to us that can handle that big of a stump. So, yeah, there was a total of 3 trees, and all of them, the reason why the neighbor took them down is because the wood was getting everywhere. So, my neighbor wanted to get rid of them out of the way. So this should make mowing the lawn easier, and hopefully whoever planted the tree will plant a tree that will plant like a smaller tree that the root doesn't get out of control. Whoever will buy this house if my neighbor decide to. So. But yeah, we have hit the record temperature as normal. So when we've been hitting the record temperature, my neighbor been doing it in the morning. Of course, he's been doing it when I was gone too. So lately I've been staying back on Monday and Wednesday because in the morning my mom do one of a yoga things, so unfortunately I got stay back. So now I'm not there every week. I'm only gone. I'm not here at the neighbor house on Monday or Wednesday. So so sometime my neighbor do some little project when I'm not there. So sometime not. So that's what the neighbor been up to behind us. So probably later on, don't know. Obviously this neighbor next to next to the the people who bought the abandoned house. The person does have a chainsaw. It's chainsaw need to be walked on before before that person can cut the top, and the person is very interested of using that top section as a firewood too. So mostly. So that's the thing. Obviously, I was trying to record previously. I didn't like the clip I recorded, so I decided to delete it. Because what happened is, like, on my phone, I accidentally hit the button on accident. So, another thing too is the neighbor was on the phone with one of his family member too, so he's still not to sleep. But let's see. Is there a bee nest? Yes, there's a bee nest right there. I missed that shot of the of my neighbor spraying it and squishing the bee too, so missed that opportunity. So, but pretty much I think that's pretty it. So at this moment, the way this going to go. So, but I will record again, but I just thought to show you the little thing that the neighbor did. So, in the morning, and plus, somebody will probably come by and collect a little bit of firewood off that stump too, so. But pretty much, I think that's pretty it at this point, like I said earlier ago. So what I'm gonna do, my mouth is getting dry. What I'm gonna do is stop recording and record something again. I am. Okay, so we're coming up 17 minutes in, what, 70 seconds? 17 seconds in the video. Oh well, we did get into the 17 mark of the vlog video. I didn't realize, so but yeah, anyway, that's what we did for, I think, 2 days, maybe, I don't know. This vlog been a while, being lately the neighbor, been sitting around, so I'm gonna say thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this little riveting vlog. I don't know or what, but or that little fun moment. I know there were a couple interesting little points, so, but a lot of the other point was kind of laying around. So hopefully that will keep you occupied, and that's one reason why vlogs take a while for me is if you've been following the YouTube channel, you know how my neighbor goes. You know how he goes, yeah. So, but anyway, like I said earlier ago, so we get into that more. So, feel free to subscribe if you like this type of style of content. So if you really like this content, feel free to subscribe and give the video a like or dislike. Yeah, subscribe, dislike, or dislike it, or like the video, whatever you feel like. If you feel like I'm doing a pretty good job, give it a like. If you think I'm doing a bad job at doing these vlogs, then feel free to give me a thumbs down if you really want to. So, if you want to do it, that's totally up to you. And check out the video note below the video. There's a channel email address, which you may have to copy and paste. You may have to do that. Then Amazon wish list for supporting the channel or supporting project I have in mind. So if you like to do it, that's totally up to you, or you can use it as a recommendation list with whatever you want to use it for. Then I have tech tip forum or community tech tip forums I'm part of, so if you want to sign up with one of them, feel free to say hi to me if you want to feel free. Then check out the Google Plus page. I've been trying to post photos, but I'm still sucky at posting stuff on my Google Plus page, so check out the Google Plus page. You never know. So it's always the random moment I do stuff. So, but I'm trying to work on it. So that's what I'm trying to do. Then if you have any positive comment or if you have anything nice to say, that pop them below the video. And if we don't have too many comments, I will do a video shout out. Thank you for those positive comment people, thank you. So, on the HP, I know I have somebody comment idiot on the HP. Just feel free, if there was something that I didn't explain correctly, that don't be afraid to put them in the comment, you know, that let me know that, hey, hey, I was a little bit lost when you were talking about this subject with stage B, you know, that comment, that let me know if I need to clarify something, or clarify or re-explain something if I got you lost there, folks. So pretty much, I'm gonna say, thank you for watching, and let's move on to the next vlog video, which is gonna take another week. Alright, we're gonna see you later. Catch you in the next vlog.